Please help Myanmar. Our Burmese people have been sacrificing their lives, hopes, dreams, belongings, families, and their life as well, ever since 2020. Because in 2020, there was the huge COVID-19 pandemic, which had killed over millions of people's lives. Schools were closed. So many lockdowns used to be everywhere throughout the country. The price of goods increased suddenly. That used to be one of the tough times for every Burmese. In addition to that, in 2021, we also had to experience the terrible military junta, which had made the youth helpless and has been killing so many people. We'd been protesting every day back in the days. Because we were against the unofficial government. We'd been shouting out to the unofficial government because we needed the real democracy. And again, there was the enormous flood over the past few months, which left so many people homeless. Our Burmese people lost their homes, families, and their belongings in this enormous flood. But this is not the end. We also experienced the huge earthquake with 7.7 magnitude, which happened a few days ago. Because of this, thousands of people have lost their lives and their families. Not only the old, but the young, including babies, have been killed by this huge earthquake. As a consequence of this, many historical places and temples which we have been protecting from destruction have been destroyed by this huge earthquake. Despite the huge earthquake, the military are still bombing some areas, including the areas where the earthquake occurred. This is so devastating. That is why we urgently need international help. Our people are screaming on the road because they need drinking water, medicine, food, and most importantly, international help. Hello world, do you hear us? Our country is full of people who are homeless and dead bodies. Please help Myanmar. Your support can save so many people's lives. That is why, please don't ignore us. Thank you.